Behind me is the best Hackintosh I ever built during my almost 17 years of Hackintoshing, shown in my previous video. Triple boot Hackintosh, which I built the new way. macOS, Windows and Linux running on a single computer at the same time. Let's do a small recap. Okay, so now I will show you example of a Hackintosh, which is built the new way, okay? 3 displays connected to a single computer. I will now press the start button. Okay, macOS 11 is starting on the middle display. Windows 10 on the left display. And finally, Linux on the right display. Okay, so as you can see here, macOS Big Sur 11.6. So look, I am using single Apple Bluetooth keyboard and Apple Magic Mouse, which came with my Mac Pro. So now let's have a look what's gonna happen if I will move my mouse pointer to the left. What the hell? I'm in Windows. Okay, so let's have a look at Task Manager. Okay, RTX 2070 Super, great. So move back to macOS, and what's gonna happen if I will move to the right display? Bang, I'm in Linux. So let's have a look about this computer. Again, Ubuntu, Budgie, or my Threadripper system. Great, but darling, that's still not all. Look, I will here create some folder on my desktop. Let's call it Hackintosh New Way in capital letters. Okay, let's Command C to a clipboard, move to Windows, new folder, Control V, bang, Hackintosh New Way. Move to the Linux, create new folder, Control V, bang, Hackintosh New Way. Oh my lord! Can you do this on your old school prehistoric Hackintosh, which is built using Clever or OpenCore? Of course not. This is possible only using the new way. So don't limit yourself and take advantage of it. That's fucking amazing, I know. So do you want to see how it's done? Do you want to know how to configure it? No problem. But for me, it's much easier to configure for people all around the globe daily, remotely, several workstations, instead of shooting single video about it. So that's why I decided I will do for you live stream, where I will show you the whole process of configuring it from scratch live. And because I do care about my audience, I will give you the power to decide on which hardware I should configure such triple boot Hackintosh monster. In this video description, I listed several hardware configurations, from new computers to really old pieces. So don't forget to build the Hackintosh the new way. You don't need any precisely chosen motherboard and so on. It can run almost on any hardware. So now leave me comment down below what hardware I should use in my upcoming live stream as a base for a triple boot Hackintosh like this. Okay, let's do it.